Hello, I'm Elizabeth and this is your planning mentor. Today we have an unboxing of the Graceful Muse Paperie kit for March. It took a little while to get here, but I am so excited just by this little sneak peek. Let's get it out of the package here. Look how beautiful. This is the cardstock or scrapbook paper. Look at this detailing. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful. We have some cream colored daffodils, some snowdrops down here, hyacinth. We've got this beautiful ivy colored building. This is gorgeous. Looks like it could be a solarium or maybe a porch, but I don't know with this window here like that. But the plants, you get a little sleeping puppy, some 4-leaf clover for March. Oh, so, this is just so beautiful. Every time I think I can't love a kit more, I get my new kit and this breakfast table is so pretty. And the light is just gorgeous. And then on the back, we've got some horseshoes like luck, and it's very pretty. Here is our Hello March vellum, chapter 3. And our sticker kit. We've got our cardstock, our dashboard, thicker than cardstock. But it says, "Bloom gently, good things are unfolding." So pretty. And I love the shade of green that she chose and this shade of blue. Very pretty. Here's our March calendar month. Chapter 3. March. Our word March. Some beautiful stickers with 4-leaf clovers. I've got some gold foiling on this sticker. So pretty. There's a stack of books, a writing desk, the breakfast table again, little floral arrangement, and again, there's gold foiling. Here are some flower clusters. So pretty. Here are some large stickers, large illustrations, it says. And this foiling makes it look like there are oranges in that tree almost. Very pretty. Here we have some large florals. Beautiful. Here is our torn washi. These don't have any foil on them. But here are our floral washi strips, and these are split. So you have two. So there would be 4 strips then on this page. Here are days of the week. Some little individual florals. This month, goals, birthdays, to-dos. And this kit is called Lucky Blooms. And then all of our March numbers. Beautiful. So again, we have March numbers. We have our days of the week. We have our floral washi, torn washi, large blooms, large illustrations, floral bouquets, illustrations 2, illustrations 1, our calendars, our dashboard, bloom gently, our March vellum, and our beautiful, beautiful double-sided scrapbook paper. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate any time you choose to spend watching my channel. I hope you have a lovely, lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.